So Apple recently released iOS 18.3 for all the supported iPhones. This update focused more on fixing the issues rather than new features. So in this video, we will see what's new in the iOS 18.3 update. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the supported devices. Here is a list of all the iPhones that will get iOS 18.3 update. If your device is in this list, then you should be able to install the update by now. So let's see how you can get iOS 18.3 update on your iPhone. For this, open the Settings app. Now here tap on General and then tap on Software Update. This will check for the update. Now you should see the update here. Install it. As you can see, I am already on the latest version. Well, that's all about how you can install the update. Now let's talk about the features and improvement. So there are two new major features or the changes in iOS 18.3. So first major change is the improvement in visual search. So now you can use visual search to identify plants and animals. Not only this, but you can add an event to the calendar from the poster or the flyer. Next major change is notification summary. So now you can manage the settings of the notification summary from the lock screen. Not only this, but now the summaries are in italics. Also, iOS 18.3 disables notification summary for news and entertainment. As you can see here, if I select news and entertainment, then this will block it. It says temporarily unavailable. So these are the major changes in iOS 18.3. Also, there are some bug fixes as well. So with the previous update, many users complained about apps crashing issue. So this issue is solved in iOS 18.3 update. Also, there was one more issue of keyboard. Users complained about keyboard disappearing during Type 2 Siri request. So Apple fixed this issue with iOS 18.3 update. So these are all the major changes in iOS 18.3. With upcoming updates, we can expect more features and bug fixes. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. And for more such tech content, visit our website itechhacks.com. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.